This is the latest inverter from Volkswagen, Audi, and Porsche. This is the shell we can see here. These two terminals are for positive and negative high voltage signals. The three terminals on the other side are connected to the high voltage motor. There is an orange plug here, which is connected with HVAC compressor. Then let's see the fuse inside, which is for the compressor. When there is a problem with the HVAC compressor, a short circuit may burn at the fuse. It's very important to know where the fuse is so we can replace it. It is installed inside this motor controller. And this is the DC-DC, which converts high voltage to 12 volts to charge the 12 volts battery. And this is the IGBT. This goes to the battery. These are the three phases of UVW. Over here we can switch from AC for the motor to DC for the battery. The common problems with inverters are internal errors or specific functions failures. To put it simple, if there are any issues with any of the individual boards inside, it is worth it to try and repair. The whole assembly is expensive. And if we repair, usually it doesn't break down that easily. The cost is also quite low.